This State Government Reshaping WA report is brought to you by Building for Tomorrow.
Getting from Perth to Mandurah just got safer for cyclists and pedestrians. The 74-kilometre Kwinana Freeway Principal Shared Path is now complete. Riders and walkers can enjoy an uninterrupted journey, taking in some vibrant local artwork along the way. Work continues on the Tonkin Gap project, but expect ongoing delays in the vicinity. More than 1,000 jobs have been created as part of the critical infrastructure project to ease the bottleneck on Tonkin Highway through Bayswater. And the new smart freeway Mitchell southbound is taking shape. Various technologies will be used to reduce congestion, including coordinated ramp signals, a boon for over 180,000 motorists daily. Smart solutions to commuting challenges. Search Building for Tomorrow to see what WA's transport upgrades mean for you.